Hey beauties, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. If you love wig reviews, human and synthetic, mostly synthetic, beauty reviews, etc., don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then hit the like, and then like this video, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. So this is going to be a human hair wig review, and this is from the brand Yolova, and that's you'll see the name in the video, of course. This is a 24-inch highlighted straight 13x4 lace front human hair wig. Okay, the density is said to be 180 density. Or we just gonna say it's said to be 180 density. It is a little thin compared to what I consider 180 density, but it's still a nice full it still looks like natural. It's like a natural density. I would say maybe 150, but for me I prefer like 150, 180 because it's a natural density, depending on the company, because it could be a little bit more or less depending on the company. Yeah, so don't worry guys, I will have a code for this unit, so you can always plug in Diabla. The link, it'll also be in the description box, the code, and you'll get a percentage off of your purchase. This wig for 24 inches is $364. However, you'll get discount with the code, and also they do offer a firm and quad pay. You know, I'm one of those girls who I always gotta have affordable or cuts around affordable, whatever you want to call it. I love Afterpay, Affirm, Quad Pay, Klarna. If you shop my brand beauty, 1111 Beauty, we have one of those, another form of that. I think it's Shop Pay. Yeah, saves you. If you don't have all the bulk of the whole thing at one time, you can always pay in portions, and you can still have your unit. You don't gotta wait till the end of the payment. You could get it off the first payment and just pay over time. So you can definitely throw this in your basket and get it for like, just pay like less than 100 down for the first payment, and then over time you could pay the rest. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys, I did show you how the unit looks. It is a 13x4. It's not like all the way 13x4, so it does go, the parting space stops, like it starts tapering right here, so you can't part it anywhere from right here, but it is definitely lace around the perimeter. I did plug this unit. It does come sort of pre-plugged, but it wasn't plugged enough for me to my liking, so I just went ahead and did my thing. I did go ahead and cut off a couple of inches, because with human hair wigs, as you get to the bottom, they do tend to thin out like natural hair does. So I like it to be more thick at the bottom, so I cut about 2 inches off. I probably will end up cutting more because I just like it probably like around 18 inches long. But yeah, this is how she looks. This is how she looks in the back. So you can't see the tracks or anything. So I went ahead and did go ahead and curl her, just so y'all can see how she holds a curl. I will say it did drop, like the curls did drop. I'm not the best when it comes to curling, so I can't even really call it, to be honest. But if you're not a pro, your curls is gonna drop, honey. I cut some layers in the front because I like face framing. Y'all know I love those face framing curls. So I might end up cutting a little bit more on this side. I did do it like a little, just a chop thing real quick, but whatever. This is definitely gonna be a wig that you can wear for a long time, especially with the color. It's great for the winter, fall, winter. Oh yes, this is, you don't get to choose your cap size, but this is huge head friendly. I had to make the clasp like Wakanda them, like my homegirl be saying. I forgot her name, but Wakanda forever with them straps, because my head is small, okay? But I have all this room back here, and that's what worries me, because I don't want to look too bulky in the back, but I do have a lot of room. I have a very, I'm not gonna say a very small head. It's like 21 and a half, which is the average for a small head, So if you have a large head, boo, do not worry, this is going to fit you. I had to cut off a lot on the sides, as you will see in the video. So yeah, you can definitely like work with it if you have a small head, but yeah, I don't have not much else to say. Very professional company. Definitely check them out. And of course, like I said again, link will be in the description box. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Did I get my semi Beyonce on? I think this is like dark skin girl friendly Beyonce hair because it has the blonde mixed with the dark brown. So yeah, this is actually like a 4 mixed with the honey blonde. So it's I love this color. It's so nice. These curls is going to drop by the end of the night. I'm doing this video at night for you guys. I'm trying to do that now. I usually will not do it at night because your girl be tired, but I'm making myself do these videos, so just look for more videos during the week too, because I'm just gonna start doing this throughout the week. Anyway, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.